Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bracketron TripGrip 2.0 cup holder phone mount. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this open, instructions, cup holder itself, and then the attachment. So what you'll need to do on this is kind of set it up ahead of time, where you kind of put it through like so, that piece, and then I'm gonna pop this in like so, and then screw it on. We want that to be nice and tight. So I don't know if you noticed that or not, but that kind of expanded. So we'll squeeze, we'll press that button to expand. We'll adjust this open, and that's pretty stiff, which is good. That's what we are really looking for. And the beauty here is that we're looking for a cup holder that will expand as well, to fit kind of different items. So as we kind of stick a bigger cup holder in, that should handle it. We're gonna test it out with stuff in my car. The other thing that I want you to pay attention to, there we go. So this bottom piece will actually flip down to add extra security to when you're sticking your phone in. So we'll just kind of open this up real quick and I'll show you with my phone. All right, so what we'll do is we'll literally just kind of drop your phone in and then squeeze, and that should, of course, not going to be upside down. That was my bad, honestly. So we'll just kind of open it, we'll put it on top there, and we'll squeeze and we'll rock it a little bit, because that's kind of more what the car jolting would be. It should not go upside down, because if it does, that means your car is upside down, which is never good. So that'll kind of do that thing. Now again, if I need to adjust this, and we'll show this in the car as well, we can just twist this a little bit, adjust, and then tighten. That'll give you the angles kind of that you're looking for in the vehicle, depending on what you're looking to do. The arm will move a little bit, but so will this adjustment. This ball kind of gives you some extra flexibility, which is super great. And so we'll go ahead and release the phone by pressing that button, and it opens up nice and easy. And then again, I can close this up if I want. It's just a simple flip down, so be aware of that. And we'll go ahead and take it out to my car and kind of show this part. Before I do that, I do want to show one other important thing that is pretty critical. So when I get this in, I want you to understand that this may rock a little bit, but the ability to twist this, you'll see how this twists, and you'll see hopefully that these have expanded to kind of tighten in, and again, we'll kind of twist the other way to get them to close up, and you'll see how thin that is. Again, right back in. They're rubberized here, but to open them, I'm just going to twist clockwise from the top, counterclockwise from the bottom, and that should expand into a position that locks it into place pretty solid. So again, we'll go ahead and test this out in the vehicle and go from there. All right, and so let me show you exactly why this is important for me. So this thing kind of fits, but not great. It's usually a problem at the top here. This will kind of simplify the problem a little bit for me as we kind of get this to lock in. It'll be a much tighter seal. So let me just use my second hand to squeeze this in. And so it's locked in. I've dropped this in. Now I can just adjust this piece and turn my phone. Let me just get this right. So now I just drop my phone in, I squeeze tight, and I've got the situation I need. So my daughter has her Stanley next to me, I've got this, and we're one big happy family, as opposed to me trying to deal with this thing kind of banging around and doing all kinds of annoying stuff. So situationally, it's whatever you're looking to do. Like, this thing doesn't move. It's pretty solid in there. So whatever you're looking to do with your vehicle is really what works best. For me, this is a good solution. So hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.